Kashmir is a beautiful region that resides in an extremely mountain areas containing some of the highest peaks in the world. Unfortunately, this amazing land has remained a constant battleground between the two countries of India and Pakistan. Do you know why? The dispute began from the First Kargil War in 1947 to 1948, which led to the establishment of LOC, the line of control. The LOC still divides the land of Kashmir between India and Pakistan. As part of the Simla Agreement in 1972, there was an agreement that neither India nor Pakistan would contest the border by making use of military means. Since the agreement, both countries began guarding the border heavily for the majority of the year. During the exceedingly cold winter months, both the Indian and Pakistani guards abandoned their post only to return back in the spring. However, during the winter of 1998 and 1999, a surprise attack took place from the Pakistan army and it became successful in crossing the LOC, the line of control, and into the India's portion of Kashmir. Moreover, slowly and gradually, they went on capturing one Indian outpost after another and held their position in Kargil. In February 1999, at the same time as in winter invasion, the Lahore Declaration was being signed between India and Pakistan, which was based on peace. After a few months, the Kargil War began between the two countries. Furthermore, a series of bloody battles were fought between these two nations of India and Pakistan. The battles posed a huge challenge for the Indian force as they had to fight on difficult mountainous terrain. In spite of this challenge, the Indian soldiers showed amazing bravery after a long struggle. The Indian army became successful in pushing back the Pakistani forces across the line of control. By 14 July 1999, there were heavily casualties on both sides. However, the sacrifice of Indian soldiers was not in vain. This great struggle of Indian army has carved a place in the heart of every Indian. The entire Kargil War was a time of a tension and nervousness for the Indian people. It infused the spirit of national pride in every Indian. Most noteworthy, it served as an opportunity of unifying all Indians together irrespective of caste, color, religion, and language, etc. The Kargil War has been an unforgotten event in this history of India. Nevertheless, this was an event that brought about feeling of patriotism in the hearts of every Indian like never before. The brave struggle of Indian soldiers will continue to be an inspiration for all citizens of this country.
मेरी मिट्टी की संतानों, कारगिल के वीर जवानों, मेरी आन के लिए, मेरी शान के लिए तूने हंस के दे दी अपनी जान। तुझे भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तुझे भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तुझे भूलेगा ना तेरा हिंदुस्तान, तुझे भूलेगा जिस्मों के जख्म नहीं देखे, बस आगे बढ़ता रहा। दुश्मन का हौसला चूर किया, उन्हें हारने पे मजबूर किया। जब गोली लगी तेरे सीने पे, तब ठहर गई मेरी सांसें। जब तूने मुझे अलविदा कहा, तो बरस पड़ी मेरी आँखें।